Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a farewell letter. What is a farewell letter? A farewell letter is a written message typically sent to colleagues, friends, or acquaintances when someone is leaving a particular job, organization, or location. Its purpose is to express gratitude, bid farewell, and convey good wishes to the recipients. Farewell letters are commonly used in various situations, including retirement, job changes, relocation, or leaving a school or community. These letters often reflect on the experiences, memories, and relationships the sender has had with the recipients. They may express appreciation for support, share fond memories, and convey hopes for future interactions, even if the sender is physically moving away. Farewell letters are a way to maintain connections and express sentiments of goodwill, and they can be a meaningful gesture when parting ways with individuals or groups important in one's life. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to a farewell letter step by step. Check this out. First thing first, you need to write your full name. And write your job position in the company. After that, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient. Write the recipient's full name. Under it, write the job position in the company. And write the name of the company. Under it, write also the address of the office or company. When you do it, don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Now, you may open the letter with salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, after starting with a polite and professional salutation, now you can express gratitude for the opportunity to work with the company or organization. Of course, you should announce your departure and specify your last working day in this first body paragraph. For example as, "I hope this letter finds you well. It is with a mixture of emotions that I announce my departure from ABC Corporation, effective January 15, 2023. And then, discuss the reason for your departure, if desired. But you don't have to mention it specifically. For example as, "After 5 years of dedicated service, I have decided to pursue new opportunities and challenges in my career." Here, you just need to keep this paragraph concise and focused on setting a positive tone for the letter. In the second paragraph, reflect briefly on your time at the company. It is highly recommended that you mention accomplishments, growth, or any memorable experiences. For example as, "I want to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude for the support, mentorship, and camaraderie I have experienced during my time at ABC Corporation." And then, write how's your overall experience working at the company. Remember, you can only mention good things here. This is a farewell letter, and there's no point of you being shady here, even if you dislike certain parts of the company or the people. For example, you can simply write, "Working with such a talented and dedicated team has been a privilege. And I have learned invaluable lessons that will stay with me throughout my professional journey." You need to express appreciation for colleagues, mentors, or the team you've worked with during your tenure. This will be memorable for them. In the third paragraph, tell the recipient how your experience will be helpful in your future career. Some seniors and colleagues must have helped you during your time at the company. And now is the best time to appreciate them. Show your gratitude by convincing them that what you learned from them means a lot to you in the future. For example, "As I move forward, I carry with me the lessons, memories, and relationships forged during my tenure at ABC Corporation." You may also add something like, "While I bid farewell to my current role, I am excited about the possibilities that lie ahead." In the fourth paragraph, you can state clearly if this is a formal notice of resignation as well as a farewell letter and appreciate letter for the company. You may write, "Please consider this letter as both my formal notice of resignation, and as an expression of my appreciation for the time I have spent at ABC Corporation." And then, you can continue by mentioning your willingness to assist in the transition process. Just because you have written a farewell letter, doesn't mean you can work just how you want. You still have to work professionally and do your best. So, here, you can write, "I will do my utmost to ensure a smooth transition during my remaining time here. And I will be available to assist in the handover process." Helping the company in the transition process is a part of your responsibility. Therefore, offer your help. And in the last paragraph, you can express best wishes for the company's continued success. Don't forget to thank the recipient again for their help during your time at work. Here, the writer wrote, "Thank you once again for the support and encouragement I have received throughout my journey at ABC Corporation." By delivering your gratitude, the recipient will feel respected. And it is good to maintain good relationship. You may also offer to stay in touch or express openness to future opportunities. For example as, "I look forward to staying in touch and potentially crossing paths again in the future." Conclude the letter with a courteous and professional closing. You may write your wishes for the company in the future. Simply write something like, "Wishing ABC Corporation continued success and prosperity." And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Sign the letter with your full name. Write your job position, and include any relevant contact information. So, that's how you write a farewell letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.